This is Sun Sounds of Arizona, reading to make a difference for you. Stay tuned as we turn the page.
When you purchase a ticket to the Great Tucson Beer Festival, it's a lot more than just having fun, which we're sure you will, but you're also donating to a really good cause. Sun Sounds of Arizona reads many different publications to anyone who is print disabled for any reason, cannot read printed material, then Sun Sounds is for them. Give them a radio, and we have many publications that we read for them.
Since 1985, the organization has read to 13,000 listeners free 24 hours a day through a KUAT FM special receiver. 150 volunteers bring newspapers, magazines, and even bestsellers to the visually impaired and other print disabled.
I like to listen to Sun Sounds because I'm visually impaired.
12:30 p.m.
I love listening to Sun Sounds and being a part of the reading radio community.
So please have a wonderful and safe time at our festival, and know that you're supporting a very worthy cause here at the festival. Thank you very much.